All right, good morning, guys. We've got our frame built so that we can put our netting on our, I would call it our intermediate chicken coop run. And so those four sides are there. We'll carry those in. I want to show you guys what we're going to do here. So we want to put a run right through here. So we're going to go about 6 feet wide this way, and then we're going to go deep 18 feet wide. And that's kind of what our lumber is and what we have. So we were able to salvage this tree when the other one fell down, so that's good, a big healthy one. I think we're gonna have to sacrifice one, which was a little rough, and then there's another one over here. It's nice and shaped pretty well, and I think we're gonna be able to keep it. So we'll try to save the trees we can. I'm gonna go in with the Vermeer. I'm going to clear this out. Then I'm going to take a level. I mean, you could use a laser or something like that, but as small as this is, I'll just put a level on the ground, make sure we're relatively level, and then we'll put this run in. It's mostly just for netting and holding chickens, so it doesn't have to be perfect. But since we pre-made the frames and they're square, having them level will make things significantly easier. So I've got the Vermeer out here. I've got some levels, so we'll get busy on this. I just want to get a level here, Billy. Okay, this level's 6 foot, so take a look at that level. What's that? Ooh, that's perfectly level. So honestly, I think, Billy, what we'll do, we probably are close enough here. We're really probably within an inch of level, but we can set our post and then we'll just kind of dig out anywhere that it's a little off. Does that sound okay to you? Because look at that, man, hot dog. That's really